Hello, and welcome to the Kansas State Veterinary Diagnostic Lab YouTube channel. This video will show the proper nasal swab sampling and handling for the diagnosis of equine herpes viruses 1 and 4 and influenza. PCR has become the diagnostic test of choice because of its high analytical sensitivity and specificity. Positive PCR results can be obtained when virus isolation is negative because of low viral load. Supplies needed. Dacon swabs with plastic sticks 5 to 7 inches long are recommended for PCR. A red top tube with approximately 1/4 ml of sterile saline added. The Copan e-swab works well for this application. This is a handy substitute as it contains both the swab and media listed above. This swab is available from the Kansas State Veterinary Diagnostic Lab at a nominal price. A gel bacterial swab is not acceptable. Clean exam gloves, disinfectant material or wipe. The horse should be restrained. A shoulder or nose twitch is usually sufficient. Pass the swab along the left or right ventral meatus, being careful to avoid the false nostril, until you are in the horse's nasal passage. You can accomplish this by using your thumb to block the false nostril and direct the swab ventrally. Rotate the swab to increase the collection of respiratory secretions. Place the Copan swab back into the sleeve and break off the excess length, or place your swab into a red top tube with 1/4 ml of sterile saline. If sampling more than one horse, fresh gloves should be used for each animal. The outside of tubes should be wiped down with disinfectant to prevent contamination of other samples or gloves of handlers. Consider all waste materials to be infectious, including gloves, swabs, etc. Any restraining equipment, such as twitches or nose chains, must be disinfected between uses. If you suspect EHV1, also collect 2 ml of blood in a purple top tube for PCR. Samples should be shipped the day of collection on ice packs for overnight or 2-day delivery. If samples cannot be submitted the day of harvest, storing under refrigeration until shipping will halt bacterial growth. Fill out the equine submission form and choose EHV1 and 4 PCR and/or influenza PCR testing.